How to manage memberships plans on your account on Freelancer. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your plans easy and fast on Freelancer. So all what you have to do is go to freelancer.com and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Go to your name, click on it, and go down to settings. After you click on settings, right here you will find many options. Click on membership, and here you will find current plans. Click on manage, and here you will be able to choose any plan you want if you want to upgrade your account. As you can, it's actually very easy. After you choose the plan that you want, you can add your payment method or PayPal if you want, and yeah, click verify and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.